Welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to delete a message only for yourself on Telegram, especially when it's a pinned message in a chat. This is perfect if you want to clean up your view without affecting what others see. Let's get right into it. First, open Telegram and go to the chat where the message is pinned. You'll usually find the pinned message displayed right at the top of the conversation, so it's easy to spot. Now, tap on that pinned message at the top. This will take you directly to the message inside the chat, so you don't have to scroll around looking for it. Once you're on the message, simply tap on it once. This will bring up a menu with different options related to that message. From the menu that appears, select Delete. After tapping Delete, Telegram will show you a confirmation prompt. Here's the important part. Make sure you choose the option that deletes the message only for you, not for everyone in the chat. Confirm your choice, and that's it. The message will instantly disappear from your view, but it will still remain visible to other participants in the chat. This is especially useful when you want to remove clutter from your chat history or hide specific messages without notifying anyone else. Keep in mind that Telegram gives you flexible control over message deletion, so always double-check the option you select before confirming. That's all you need to know. Simple, quick, and very useful. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of your messaging experience.